digger won't start. The water got in the engine.
Zuma, Chase. Chase here. I need you both at Yumi's pond right away.
Let's roll. My rig! You have to do something.
Get your winch out, Chase.
You got it, Ryder.
Zuma, take the hook.
Let's dive in. Get me out of here! On the double!
Chase, you're on. Chase is on the case.
I love a bath, but not that kind. All right, it's working. Thanks, Chase and Zuma. You saved the day.
It's what we do. Now let's get these turtles home. Sky,
Hi, Ryder. What's up?
we're all done here. The turtles can come back to the pond.
All right. You're going home. Here we are, guys. Home again.
All right, turtles, your home is good as new. Better, actually, thanks to this good bunch of pups.
Welcome home, Girdle. Have fun, Girdle. Have a good swim, Joey.